Maybe this is your question. How do I use essential oils? Well, today on this video, I'm going to tell you the first way you can use essential oils, aromatically. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oil user and educator. Be sure and click the subscribe button so you don't miss one single episode that I upload in the future. I'm also excited to offer you the free Essential Oil Made Easy guide. Just click on the description below, you'll see the link, put your email in, and it will be in your inbox in no time. So let's get to that question. How do I use essential oils aromatically? Well, there are several ways you can use essential oils aromatically and several reasons why you would want to do that. Number one is it's going to help open up your airways. Let me give you an example and a great way to use oils aromatically. You can sniff it straight from the bottle, or you can put a drop on your palms, rub them together, and breathe in. This particular oil is Japanese peppermint, and it's great for opening up the airways. I can just feel it down in my lungs, clearing everything out. It's an incredible feeling, and so much better than over-the-counter things that you would use to do that. You also might use essential oils to cleanse the air. We know that's very important right now, and a great way to do that is with a diffuser. A diffuser, there are many different kinds. You usually fill with water. Add your essential oils to this, and then turn it on. There are diffusers that last 2 hours, 4 hours, overnight, or intermittent. So many different choices. But this is a great way to cleanse the air. It's also a great way to positively affect your mood. Let's say you need more energy, or maybe you need more sleep. You can use your diffuser to put your essential oils in that will help you sleep or get more energy or be in a better mood. So many different mood oils, and there's so many different emotional oils that you can use. Those are 3 reasons why you would want to use essential oils aromatically, and aromatically is just the first way you can use essential oils. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.